Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners. I'm Sam, your English coach and friend.
And I'm Emma. Hi everyone. We're super excited you're here today.
In this episode, we're doing something special. We'll learn English with real conversations.
Yes. We're not just studying English. We're going to use it in real life.
Exactly. You'll hear short, simple conversations at the doctor, in a cafe at work, and more. Then we'll explain everything step by step. Let's begin with something simple. Small talk. That means short, friendly conversation.
Oh, like when you meet someone new or talk to a coworker.
Exactly. Let's try this short dialogue. Hi, how's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just a bit busy.
Yeah, same here.
Let's look at some natural phrases. How's your day going? More natural than how are you today? Not bad means I'm okay. Same here means me too. Repeat after us. How's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks.
Tip 1. Don't memorize full scripts. Focus on natural patterns. All right, let's move to a real-life situation. Ordering coffee. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hey, can I have a latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You heard, can I have? That's a polite and natural way to order. We don't usually say, I want, in English when buying something. Let's practice together. You, the listener, are the customer. I'll be the barista. Tip 2. Practice real-life phrases every day, in front of a mirror or while walking.
Sam, do you have a favorite hobby?
Yes, I love playing guitar and running. How about you?
I enjoy cooking and watching movies in English.
When you talk about hobbies, you can say, I like plus verb ing. I like reading. I enjoy plus verb ing. I enjoy swimming. I'm into plus noun. I'm into sports. Repeat after us. I like reading books. I enjoy cooking. I'm into music.
These are easy to use every day. And they make your English sound real.
Let's practice a real work conversation. Simple but useful. Hi, Emma. Did you finish the report?
Almost. I'll send it this afternoon.
Great. Thank you. Can you also check the email from our boss?
Sure thing.
Almost means not yet, but very soon. Sure thing means of course. Can you check? Is a polite way to ask. Repeat these lines with me. I'll send it this afternoon. Can you check the email? Sure thing. Tip 3. Learn chunks, groups of words, not just single words.
Sometimes real conversations don't go perfectly.
Yes, that's life. Let's practice what to say when you don't understand someone. Sorry, can you say that again?
Sure, no problem.
Could you please speak a bit slower?
Course.
You can say, can you repeat that, please? Sorry, I didn't catch that. These are polite and natural. Repeat after us. Sorry, can you say that again? Could you please speak slower? Tip 4. Never say what. It sounds too strong. Use polite phrases instead.
Sam, sometimes I want to improve my speaking, but I don't have anyone to talk to.
That's okay. You can still practice alone. Talk to yourself in English about your day. Record your voice and listen to your pronunciation. Join an online speaking group once a week. Listen to English podcasts like this one.
So even small daily conversations in English can make a big difference.
Absolutely. 10 minutes a day is better than 3 hours once a week. Tip 5. Focus on progress, not perfection. All right, friends, that's all for today's episode. Learn English with real conversations.
Let's review what we practiced. Small talk, ordering coffee, talking about hobbies, work conversations, asking for repetition.
Perfect. Remember, every time you listen and speak, your English brain gets stronger.
So keep practicing, keep smiling, and
keep speaking English every day.